Hurry up and check this oil here. I mean, she looks good to me. Now, will she have a problem cranking? That's the question. Because I forgot before I turned the fucking car off that I just had a problem cranking. Yay! Alright, let's go. It's gotta be the ground straps. That's such a weak crank. The ground straps are the battery. Attaboy. Good job, bitch. Oil was great, so it wasn't even worth checking, but now I can drive in peace. Whew. Gives you a little jazz every time you know your car didn't just start easily last time. You know, makes you a little excited. I don't know if you guys love that feeling. I love it. That was funny. I shifted into 6th gear and said, "Whoa, no." I've never done that before. Comment down below if you've ever shifted into 6th when you're trying to downshift into 4th. I don't even know how I made that angle. That was weird. Are dicks who ride people's asses that are trying to just make it through wherever they're at. Like this guy in front of me looks like he's having a hard time, right? Now I could corner the fuck out of this whole entire drive and make it shitty for him, but really what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chill, man. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna enjoy the scenery. When he pulls off to the side, I'll take off. It's beautiful out there. Look at that. If y'all have never been to Mexico and you don't have this type of scenery, I feel sorry for you. I love that shifter too. Hey, hybrid racing. I have most of your stuff. You guys are amazing. Props to you guys, you know. Props to you guys. Sexy piece you made. Sexy piece. Honestly, I didn't even need the red one. Like, red is cool. I just found it so cheap online. Like, you get a brand new one for $100 off brand new just because the guy sold the car and went to attention. It's a win. Especially when it's a beautiful piece like this hybrid. So, I just wanted to make sure hybrid knows. And I'm sure they do. Y'all killing it, bro. Y'all killing it. We're gonna have to turn around here in a second because this motherfucker, he is slow as shit. So in front of us, and he's not getting out of the way, and I'm not gonna bully him, and I gotta go home. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here like this. We're gonna roll this bitch up. We're gonna park right here. We're gonna get out. I'm gonna walk around. Anyways, yeah, this is my K20 Civic. Probably not going to ever change the rims unless we put some welds on there. We're going supercharged with the Craftworks kit. I'm at 0% elevation, so you know we're gonna be making hopefully close to that 400. No belt slip, no nothing. We're gonna eliminate that belt slip from the Craftworks. Don't worry, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Literally, I've done all the research. I've kind of talked with all of the Honda K Series 8th gen specific Craftworks guys that are running the C3094 Supercharger, right? And I've been up in the forums, and I found guys that have run it for 6+ years, 70,000 miles with just maintenance, and other guys that have gone all out. And I've pretty much kind of put together a comprehensive what you need to actually fix the issue that this car has when it goes with that supercharger. And the issue that is I'm gonna back up a little bit. The issue you run into is belt slip, and then supercharger also has the supercharger also has some frailties to it if you misuse it. But if we break it, that's okay, because guess what, guys? I'll show you guys the shop that you need to send it to. I won't show you here, but I'll show you after we decide to do it. It'll be a surprise. You send it to a certain shop, and you get it bulletproofed. It'll become bulletproof. It'll fucking be able to bang off limiters. It'll do lots of stuff that it doesn't do now. It'll go higher RPMs, and we also can up the boost up to anywhere up to 4, I think even 6 pounds higher, so 16 PSI. So we're gonna be messing around with those guys at the Supercharger factory that I've been talking to, and I think all in all we're gonna end up with a very fast car over time and go all-wheel drive, and like I said, build many other cars after that. So let's take off here. Bridge at 100. I've done it before. Do not keep pushing that corner and hit that bridge. If you know that bridge, do not do it, dude. It's so fucking bumpy and sketch. But yeah, it looks like we got another truck that's gonna ruin the fun up here, but that's okay. He's kind of, I think I might have done a ridge line. I think he's ripping too. Yeah, it's a ridge line. Yeah, they're cute. Oh man, are we really gonna get traffic all the rest of the way back? I guess this can be a scenic drive. But yeah, what I really want to show you guys with the content is just the car getting faster and faster, the love I have for the car, the vision I have for the car, the vision I have for other cars when I end up getting them, helping guys that I meet along the way. Look at that, that's beautiful. What you guys can see, because yeah, no, the camera should see it. So there's a guy. What's up, buddy? Anyways, yeah, the goal for the channel is really to just bring the joy of going faster, of making the car look better. Not just this car either, like any car. Like I've met a lot of guys that are also into cars over time here that really were just starting off. No matter the age, a lot of them are starting off in Hondas and whatever, might be a Del Sol guy, and you know, I've met other guys along the way, and my goal is to kind of help them all kind of get their dream to come true as well and show it to you guys. So yeah, that's the plan. you guys are voting, please just realize we don't hate each other, no matter who you are, whatever person you're voting for. There's a lot of propaganda on both sides, so when a nation gets propagandized, it falls down, it trickles down to the people, and hatred between the people, and it's ridiculous because it's not people, it's people that control the propaganda, but it's a machine we're going against on